Good evening and welcome to NewsLink Indiana. I'm your weather forecaster today, Jordan Wolfe. On campus right now, we are seeing temperatures 59 degrees with winds coming out of the south at about 6 miles an hour. Feels like 59 degrees as well. Wind chill not playing a factor when temperatures are this warm. Currently, the winds across the state, south 6 miles an hour here in Muncie, a bit windier to our south, 20 miles an hour in Shelbyville and 17 in the state's capital of Indianapolis. Current temperatures across the state pretty mild for our time of year. 59 degrees in Muncie, 63 in Indianapolis, 65 down in Shelbyville. Warm one across the state indeed. Our current 24-hour temp change a bit warmer than it was 24 hours ago on our south part of the state, and about the same, if not a little bit cooler, to our northern end of the state than it was 24 hours ago. But again, still warm temperatures for this time of year. And as we're looking at that average high, we're seeing about 35 degrees typically for this time of year, but we got all the way up to 59 degrees here in Muncie. And of course, our record high sitting down here at 69 degrees, which was set back in 1890, quite a bit of time ago, but we didn't really come that far away from hitting that. On the radar, we're seeing some spotted showers and clouds moving through the area, and those showers will be continuing through the evening and into the overnight hours. At 2 a.m., we're seeing a little bit more increased showers through the area as well, and those will be continuing to increase through into the morning hours. At 8 a.m., pretty widespread across the area in south of Indianapolis and the southern part of the state. Those continuing, and into tomorrow evening, a little bit of chance for snow and some wintry mix as we're tracking the system moving through. Looking at a different model and continuing a little bit farther, 10 p.m., we're seeing that snow and wintry mix continuing. After that, a little bit different change here at 10 p.m. Just kind of switching over to rain by that point a little bit, but still pretty close to those temperatures of freezing, which could see some different temperatures and precipitation types as well. 2 a.m. at Wednesday, we're seeing those chances for snow and wintry mix again continuing, and those will be continuing through the day on Wednesday as well as we're tracking the system and into Thursday early morning and on to Friday. And we're seeing overnight tonight, back to tonight, we're seeing rain showers continuing, low temperature of 50 degrees with winds coming out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Going into tomorrow, we're going to start out pretty warm, but we're going to quickly get down into cooler temperatures back to what we should be for January. 46 degrees at 8 a.m. with rain chances. 12 p.m. we're down to 40, winds coming out of the north at 10 to 15. And by 5 p.m. we increase our winds bit and also cooler rain chances still by 5 p.m. down to 37 by that point in the day. On our mid 7-day forecast, you can see those system that we're tracking through Wednesday, those temperatures decreasing from Tuesday to Wednesday as well, 50 degrees to 34 degrees for the highs there. Pretty low temperatures as well into the 20s and 30s as we move on into the rest of the week. The sun really doesn't come back until the end of the weekend, though, and on Monday, as we finally see temperatures get back up into the 40s once again. For any future weather updates, be sure to follow us on Twitter at NLI Weather, and thanks for tuning in to NewsLink Indiana.